I'd like to thank everybody for the comments in your thread on this thread. It's been wonderful to see the feedback. Um, I would love to make this an experimental project within GitLab, and I'd like to get more feedback as people start using it. I'm working on Vertex and Claude integration. I've been partially successful with Vertex. Just I'm not been able to get the prompts to exactly return what I need to, but I'm working on that. For Claude, I've not been able to get API access yet, though I had applied for it about a month ago. So once I get API access, I can start supporting Claude as well. So I got this idea of Duo Chat from this thread itself. I thought, as you guys have been speaking about what it possibly could be, I've realized that an interactive prompt could be really, really useful, and that's what I want to show you today. So to start, so I'm in this project, which is really basic. It's got this very simple Python program with a basic error related to divide by zero, right? And let's see if the LLM can actually analyze that. So I can start an interactive chat by just saying Duo Chat. And of course I can pass standard into Duo Chat to, just test out prompts and stuff like that as well. But here I've got an interactive prompt. So as you can see here, the LLM has access to read files, so it can go ahead and say, I'm going to first figure out what the problem is by reading the contents of random.py. So it's gone ahead and actually read the contents. So now the LLM has actually decided the change it needs to make. It's gone ahead and it's actually told me what change it needs to make. It's realized it's a divide by error issue. It says changes need to be made to the divide function. It's also said, okay, I'm going to write it back. It's going to make the change. So it's gone ahead and fixed it by fixing random.py. So if I actually go to random.py now, you can see it's made changes to my program to include the fix for the division by zero error. And so if you see, it's successfully written that file as well. And now I can also ask the LLM to execute the program. So as you see, the LLM decides what command to run to actually execute the program. So it's gone ahead and it's actually outputted a bunch of it's asked my computer to actually run the program, and it's checked the output and make sure it actually runs successfully. So at this stage, it looks good. It's fixed the issue, and now I can go ahead and actually ask it to write tests as well. So now you'll see it's actually gone ahead and created the tests. So it's gone ahead and created this unit test file. And you can see it's created a bunch of tests asserting whether the divide function actually works, which is great. I can actually go ahead and also ask the LLM to run the test. And there you go. It actually ran the tests and made sure that's fine. The LLM is going to confirm that that's the output expected, and you can see all tests have been executed. And I can just ask it to keep improving upon my code. So I can actually say, you improve. There you go. So it's actually gone ahead and made some changes. So it added some doc strings, it added more descriptive variable names, and it handled the handled by division by zero more gracefully. And so you can see it did that, and it also successfully wrote the file. So now if I go to random.py, it's a more complete file with everything running. So that's interactive chat. Hope you like this. I'm going to start working on integration with other LLMs. Thank you for your feedback again.